Good evening from Old Key West. So it's been a little bit since we've stayed here, but we are back. Another fun resort stay. Last night we were at Riviera, and then today is Amanda's birthday, so we did another resort stay, and we are here at Old Key West. So if you watched one of our when we stayed at the Treehouse Villa, we kind of talked about how we had some extra DVC points to burn. So tonight we are staying at a grand villa here at Old Key West. We're actually on our patio right now. Yes. So we just walked through it. We did a whole resort room tour, so we're gonna put that in right now. Welcome to our Old Key West Grand Villa. So this is a 2-story, 3-bedroom unit. So it has quite a lot of space. So we've got very tall ceilings in our massive living room. We are right on the water. We're actually pretty much the furthest you can get. Not quite, but like we're pretty far from the lobby and hospitality house and Gurgling Suitcase and the boat dock, but you have really great views. So we have this big 4-seat dining room table, because again, these units can sleep up to like, I want to say 12 people. So there's a pull-out couch, I'm pretty sure, but you have 2 sofas, you have this big pull-out sleeper chair. Here's the real dining room table that seats 8. And then we have the big full-size kitchen. So of course, if you have a whole big family staying here, you can do lots of cooking. You've got all of your appliances. And then here's, it's like a legit laundry room, like full-size laundry room, which is kind of crazy. And then of course, closets.
Yeah, there's bathrooms in there.
Okay. So yep, just your standard coat closet. Down here on the first floor, we have a hall bathroom for those that, well, of course, if you just want to use the bathroom if you're in the living room, but also for the people that might be sleeping in the living room, you have a shower in here. So it's a cute little tiny shower, but still a nice walk-in shower in here. And then of course, toilet, nice little artwork. And then the master is down here on floor 1. So it's a very large bedroom. It does have a door back here by your little seating area. You do have a door out to the patio, which we'll show. And then you have a big bench, plenty of storage, lots of outlets and USBs. The 1-bedrooms and bigger tend to have these fun little like doors you can open and close directly into the tub. So you have the nice big tub that we had in the Old Key West 1-bedroom we stayed at before. Closet here, big double vanity. Very large bathtub. And then I'm assuming that's the toilet back there.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like that window. That's fun. So you got the toilet in here. And then a big walk-in shower, which I don't know where the light is, but you can see there's the light. Big walk-in shower. So definitely larger than the other one. And then, so then we still have the double vanity here, which is pretty big. And this is all the first floor. So now we gotta head up to floor number 2. There is the main entrance into the unit. Right here is the staircase going up. We haven't come up here yet, so we have to turn the lights on, but there should be 2 additional bedrooms up here. I've been in some other 2-bedroom, 2-story grand villas in the past, and they all tend to have 2 bedrooms on the 2nd floor. So here is the first one. It's again a pretty good size. So you've got 2 beds here. Got a nice window over there, a little TV on the wall, and then pretty big single vanity. And then this bathroom has a shower tub combo. And again, with these fun oval lights that I'm a fan of, and some cool colorful artwork. So this is we'll call it bedroom number 2. And then yes, it overlooks the large living room down there. Oh, found our hall light. That's good. And then bedroom number 3. Now this one feels bigger than the other one. You do have a chair, so you have more seating area here. Looks like the TV swivels a little bit, which is nice. So this is actually a really big room, considering it's not the master. That light switch just turned on the closet. And then we have kind of the same setup. So there's the bathroom with the tub shower, and then the sink here. So let's go back down and check out the outdoor patio. Back down in the living room, so we're gonna head out the main door, and of course you do have the entrance from the master. But you have your nice seating area, so another table for 4.
The balloon right ahead.
Oh yeah, you can see the hot air balloon from Disney Springs. But we're right on this lake, and you got The fountain out there is a little dark, but I think when we stayed at our 1-bedroom, we had a view of the golf course. But from here, we're on the water, so this is a really nice view. And I think the last time we stayed at Old Key West, I liked having my coffee out here, so I'll probably try to do that again. And then you can see the master bedroom through there. So, huge unit, and you can have a lot of people comfortably fitting in here. So you can bring the whole family and have some quality bonding time. But that is our grand villa. It is a pretty nice space, so we're gonna enjoy having that, because there's not that many of us staying here, but we are still going to enjoy having all that room.
I would have loved to stay here with like my family and family friends, which like when I was little. Like,
I've stayed in a couple.
This feels like a home.
Yeah, I've stayed in a couple grand villas with family friends in the past, and it is fun. Everyone's, you know, getting ready in the morning, and everyone comes down to the living room and heads off to the park. So it's a good way to have everyone kind of be together, but still have plenty of room and not feel crammed, which is nice. But yeah, so we're gonna be here for the night. It's already getting close to dinner time. We're actually heading over to Disney Springs for dinner, so we're going to Maria and Enzo's.
You can see Disney Springs from here. Well,
yeah. Really. Which I've been to before, Amanda has not, so it should be pretty good. It's Italian food, which is always tasty. And then we'll just come back here and hang out for the night. We may walk over to the lobby area and the store and everything, we'll see. Depends on probably how late we get back from Disney Springs. But if we do that, we'll definitely show that whole area, because I do love the whole main area of Old Key West. It is a fun little environment. And I think the last time we were here is when we ate at Olivia's and everything, so definitely check out that video.
When that was.
It was last year.
Was it last year?
Yeah, it was a while ago, but we did eat at Olivia's. I've been to Gurgling Suitcase, but I don't think I filmed when I got a drink from there.
Oh yeah, you went without me.
Yeah, I think you were home when I went with my parents, but it was good. So they have some fun drinks from there. But
I like the lobby area over here. It's very cute.
Good morning. It's time to check out from our grand villa at Old Key West. So, did not end up walking over to the rest of the resort, so we didn't go over to the store or Gurgling Suitcase or anything, because actually a lot of it closed early, and by the time we got back from Disney Springs it really wasn't worthwhile. So we've been here before. If you want to check out our other Old Key West videos, you'll see some merchandise and walking over by that generic area. We did eat at Olivia's before, which was really good. So if you're curious,
my scallops.
Oh yeah, the menu did change.
We looked at the menu recently, and last time I went I got scallops and they were amazing. If they're not there anymore,
maybe they'll come back, but it was good. So yeah, we do have other videos if you want to see the rest of the resort. And I didn't even think, like, I just totally forgot to film Maria and Enzo's because we were kind of in and out so quickly.
It was so fast.
Yeah, we drove, we parked at Orange, we literally went straight to the restaurant, we ate, and we left because it was kind of crowded and we didn't want to really be there besides eating. The restaurant was actually super empty though, which was interesting. Yeah. So I don't know if they're just understaffed right now because there were more tables empty than taken. It said
that they were closing at 10.
Oh, okay. But so yeah, we could have been one of the last.
At 9, like very early though, like exactly at our reservation time.
I don't know, then, it was interesting.
The restaurant was pretty much empty by the time we left.
Yeah, it was kind of weird, but it was good. I got chicken parm.
I got chicken parm.
It's a cool looking restaurant, so I'm sure the next time we go back, I will try to film it to show it.
That was crazy.
But
I had no idea that existed.
Yeah, it's a big restaurant.
I didn't know. I knew about the quick service. I knew we weren't eating quick service, but like I thought it was gonna be like the same vibe.
No.
It
seems like to look like an airport. It's fun. But as far as like the food, like it's Italian. So we had like a Caesar salad as an appetizer. We had chicken parm. So I mean, I will definitely try to show it next time we go. But if you like Italian food, it's your typical Italian food. So you'd probably enjoy Maria and Enzo's. But yeah, we had a great time. We just came back and then hung out in the room because we had a nice large grand villa to take advantage of, so we did that. And it was just a nice low-key evening after we got back from Disney Springs. I do love Old Key West. It is a very nice, relaxing resort. Yeah. But definitely give this video a like if you enjoyed a look at a grand villa here, because it's a very impressive room. And subscribe if you want to see our upcoming videos. I think, what do we have coming up? 2022 is going to be a good year for us. We have a lot planned, but
he sent me that shared note.
Yeah.
Literally, it turns midnight and Zach's like, I could finally share this with you, and he shares me this note, and it has like January, February, March, April, and everything that we have planned.
The goal is to do something once a month, ideally. Some things will not be like traveling trips, like we might just come and do like a night at Disney, but we would like to have, you know, consistent things to do this year as far as like sharing content, ideally. So hopefully we're able to make that work. Next week I will be running at the marathon weekend, and then after that I'm hoping January is usually super low-key, like really quiet crowd levels, so maybe we'll be able to go over to like Universal, because we really haven't been there too much recently, because January tends to again be fairly quiet. So hopefully we'll be able to see some of the parks a little bit, and then Festival of the Arts starts in 2 weeks, so we will be there plenty. And then yeah, we have some fun trips coming up this year. We are going to be on the Wish.
Yeah.
We're going to be on the Star Cruiser.
Yep.
We are planning a trip to try to go to Paris.
Yep.
At the end of the year, so fingers crossed everything will work out, and then we'll have some, you know, resort stays sprinkled in between. We're going to Discovery Cove again later in the spring, so subscribe if you want to see all those different videos coming up, because it should be a good year of content coming. But that is it for today, so thanks for watching, and we will see you guys next time we go to Disney and beyond.